Hey Doug and Nikki fans, this is Doug and this is my brand new DJI Mini Pro and I am so excited about it. Up above here you are starting to see the actual video which I have shot. I've spent about a week flying it, testing it, doing all that kind of stuff for you just so you know, so I can talk to you with authority. Right now I'm going to tell you about some of the quick features of this drone which are amazing, and then I'm going to come back, I'm going to give you a review, a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it, what my experience was over the course of the week flying it, and then I am going to come back and we're going to go into the past and you're going to get to watch me unbox this for the first time so you know what to expect if you decide to get one of these. Okay, let's talk about this. Some of the key features of this. This thing is minute, it weighs nothing. Look how small this box is. Actually, look, this is my Mavic 2. It is enormous compared to this. So this is obviously very small. The key feature of this is it is under the 250 gram weight, so you're at 249 grams, so you do not have to register with the FAA to use this. It has a 48 megapixel camera which will shoot in 4K 60. It has an incredible flight time of 34 minutes, which is just ridiculous. I wish I could get that stay up for 15 minutes at this point, but it has tri-directional optical sensing, so you should not crash this without you working on it, but definitely buy the Care Refresh program because it is awesome. I always get it on my drones and hopefully you never need it, but the moment you do, it is great. Another great innovation that you want to know about with this is if you do social media and you need to shoot in that vertical portrait style, not landscape video, the camera actually rotates 90 degrees, still is fully stabilized, and you can shoot in that vertical mode. That thing's awesome. It also makes it so you can stitch together amazing panographic images. Overall, that is so cool. I think there's only one thing to do. Let's ask me in the future how the week went and to give that Doug score from 1 to 5 in our review. Okay, so I know you're here to hear my review of the DJI Mini 3, which is right here. How cool is that? That tells you how quiet that is. I'm also going to overlay some video from the drone itself so you can see what that looks like. I've been playing with this for a couple days and it is absolutely ridiculous. This is for sure a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. It has amazing features. The zoom is awesome. The image is awesome. It flies for forever and it is below that 250 gram limit. I know there are a ton more details which you can read in the description, but I know why you're here. You really just wanted to know basically how is this drone, should you get it, and unequivocally it is amazing. My other drone, my DJI Mavic 2 Pro, I still love it. I am in love with it. I've had it for years and it is amazing, but the features which are on this are way beyond that, way beyond that. Maybe the image under really cinematic conditions are better on the Mavic 2 Pro, but this thing, crazy. It's going to be my go-to drone. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. Okay, you're back. I know you watched the first part, the introduction about the features, that kind of stuff, and then you watched my review. You're still here, so you're interested. You want to know what comes in this magical box. I do too, because this is the past. I haven't seen it yet. You now know much more than I do. All right, let's check it out. All right, here it is. Oh, I can't even like tease you and take other stuff out first. Look at the drone. There it is. Look at how teeny it is. That thing is... it weighs like nothing. This is freaking awesome. I am so excited to use this. I know you already saw the video. I haven't seen it yet. This is so cool. Look at this drone. That's all there is to it. That is the whole drone. It weighs like nothing. It even has the battery in it. No way. No way. This has the battery in it and it weighs absolutely nothing. That is ridiculous. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just gushing on, but that is so freaking cool. I cannot believe that this will fly and shoot 4K 60 for 30 minutes. That is just unbelievable. So cool. Okay, let's see what else comes in here, because one of the other things that I really like about this is the remote control. I don't have to start messing with the darn phone anymore and attaching it and all that kind of stuff. I don't have to worry about getting calls while I'm flying, any of that. Let's get this out so you can see it. It is massive, I will tell you that much. Whoo, check that out. How cool is this? This is ridiculously cool. Oh, I am so excited. I'm so jealous that you've seen all this go down. That is so cool and so awesome. Oh, so cool. So cool. I just don't know what else to say. So cool. All right, so in this here, we have your normal standard accessories you expect to find. We have some extra blades, a tool for replacing said blades, a brief instruction manual, and a very nice USB-C to USB-C cord, which completes the entire collection there. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching the video that I shot. I hope the review was helpful. I hope all this information was helpful. We will see you next time.